What's good, YouTube? Anthony Lyons back with another video for you guys. This is a pretty cool truck, 1968 C25. One of my favorite classics, a lot of people's favorite classics. This is a quick video of some components we're going to be putting in here. We got some speakers going on the ceiling, on the pods. We got an amp going underneath the seat, as well as a all-in-one amp subwoofer combo. And we're gonna throw in a old classic aftermarket looking radio in the dash. So stay tuned for little pictures, video of this really cool classic here on Kid Sap Lake. Stay tuned. And that's a wrap on the 68 C25 pickup truck. It's a beautiful day out here in Kid Sap Lake, Pacific Northwest. All finished, got the seat back in, everything is mounted underneath perfectly. Got the retro radio, all the goodies that a new modern radio have, but on the retro look. Just a quick install. Got the ceiling speakers in, this pod system that goes with it. Really nice fit. Stay tuned for more from AO Designs on Kid Sap Lake.